In this video, I will show you how to do social media management for clients. So to do this, I recommend using a tool such as SocialBee that helps you basically manage your client's social media. So if you have more than one client for social media management, and you probably do the social media management on, for example, 3 different platforms, being Facebook, Instagram, and let's say YouTube, then that means if you have 2 clients, you already have 6 different places that you need to manage everything in. So this tool right here called SocialBee will just help you do everything in one place. They support Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and any other social media management platform that you may want to use. So here's what they do for you. You can create the content using SocialBee, so they have templates for you in Canva. Then they have an AI assistant that will help you with your posting calendar. They will get you ready to use content and they will help you, for example, generate captions, etc. Then you can schedule posts in here and then they will be posted automatically. You will be able to analyze your content, as you can see right here, which will really help you see which type of posts work for your clients, and then you can just focus on those types of posts. And you can also engage in here, so you can connect with your followers and build a supportive community by actively responding to comments, DMs or mentions. And this can all be done from within SocialBee, so you don't need to switch in between 6 different social media accounts. You can just sign into your SocialBee account and you will be able to do it all from one place. So as you can see, you can get a 14-day free trial, no credit card required, so you can just try it out, see if it is something for you. I think it's a great tool, and in the following minutes I'll also show you how you can use this, and that will save you a lot of time if you actually want to try it out. So I'll leave a link to SocialBee down in the description that you can use to get a 14-day free trial, no credit card required. So if you're wondering how much this tool will cost, you can see that right here in pricing. So they have standard plans right here, but you want to select agency because here you can do multiple social media accounts. And as you can see, for the Pro 50 plan right here, you can connect up to 50 social profiles. So let's say you manage 5 social profiles per client. That will give you 10 clients because you also get 10 workspaces. As you can see, you get analytics up to 2 years of data, and you also get 5 users, so you can add in your employees, for example. And all of this is $149 per month, or when you bill monthly, $179. Now if you have a pretty small agency still, you can also use the Pro plan right here, which will be $82 per month, and this will let you connect up to 25 social profiles. It will give you 3 users per workspace and 5 workspaces. So the reason that you don't want to pick any of these is because you only get 1 workspace, which means that you will be able to manage 1 client. However, if you want to sign on a new client, then you will need to set it up again in the Pro plan or higher. So save yourself some time and get the Pro plan or one of the agency plans right here. Now for this example, I'll just pick the Pro plan because let's assume you don't have more than 5 clients. So then click start your free trial right here. So now what you want to go ahead and do is click sign up here. Now simply enter your email address and password. And that's all you need to do to create your account. So now you can do the actual onboarding. So first you can add social accounts. So just start with one of your clients, or if you only have one, then you can just do that one. So connect whatever social media accounts you want. For example, I will connect an Instagram account. So then here you can either connect an Instagram profile or Instagram business. So you basically want to make sure that your client's Instagram account is a business account, because you will get more insights and you can publish to Instagram business profiles directly. So simply click connect business right there, and then here it will take you to facebook.com where you can simply go ahead and sign into your account. So then go ahead and connect any other social media account you want, and once you do that, click continue in the bottom. So right here you will see how many profiles you can still connect. Now as you can see, I have connected this LinkedIn profile. Now if I have another client that I want to connect it for, I can simply connect that LinkedIn profile as well. So then click continue. Now they have 2 options for you here. You can either start using their social media copilot, or you can tune your workspace. So the difference here is with the social media copilot, you will get help from their social media copilot. You can take your social media presence to the next level. It can create and schedule content based on your socials and other inputs with ease. Then when you click tune your workspace, you can start growing your brand on social media and get started by setting up your workspace. Now I want to set up my workspace first, so I'll click get started right there. So here are your connected social profiles, and just simply go ahead and connect all of your profiles profiles. So then after connecting the profiles, click next right here, and now you can choose your content categories. So these are preset categories to get a head start on your content mix, or you can create new categories that suit your needs. So you can see you have promotional, curated, engaging posts, and our blogs and videos. Now you can see exactly what each of these mean. So for example, this one right here says use this category to promote your services or products. Make sure to include call to actions like book a call with us to start a trial account. So let's say I don't need our blogs and videos, then I'll delete this one and click confirm delete. Now let's say I need another one, I'll click create category, then you can give it a name. So whatever type of content you create for your client's social media account, you can also kind of test out what you want. So just enter a category name, then give a short description of what is done inside of this category. You can choose if this is an evergreen or share once. So for example, you can call it testimonials or reviews, and for the description you can just describe what you want to include in these testimonial posts, and you can make that evergreen because you can do that over and over again with different reviews. So then after you add all of that, click on create right here, and now you have added that one. Then click next, and now what you're going to do is create a schedule. So here you will see your social media profiles for this workspace, and I'll also show you how you can create the other workspaces. So basically you have one workspace per client. And now here, what profile do you want to schedule? So for me it turned on Pinterest automatically, but I also want to do LinkedIn, so I also turned that one on. And now you can see that with the categories that we created, it will create a schedule. So Monday 9 AM you create a LinkedIn curated post, then Tuesday you create a promotional post, etc. Now here you can choose how often you want to post. So let's say once per day, which is recommended by them. Then you can go and turn that on. And now you can see for Pinterest and LinkedIn, you have these time slots when you should create a post. So now once you have finished this, click finish onboarding in the top right. And now click go to dashboard. So this will now be one of your client's workspaces. So you can also connect new accounts by just clicking connect a new account anywhere here, and then you will be able to add a new account. And now what you can go and simply do is click add posts right here, and now you can simply create a post for a social media profile. So for me, I can choose Pinterest or LinkedIn right here. Now here you can just write whatever you want. They also have an AI feature here where you can generate captions or images with AI. So for example, if I choose caption, here I can choose what I want to write. For example, a LinkedIn post. Now here they have a couple of examples. You can also add your own prompt. Now I'll just use one of these. So create a LinkedIn post promoting. So for example, create a LinkedIn post promoting a blog post about, and then enter the topic right here. So whatever you have a blog post about. Then you can choose a tone of voice. So polite, witty, enthusiastic, or anything else you want. Then you can choose an approximate amount of words. So it can be all the way up to 2000. So I'll just add, for example, 60. Now you can generate hashtags, include emojis, and you can choose how many variations it creates. Then click generate, and now it will create these for you right here. So you can now just read them, see which one you like, and just go to selected one, and then click use selected results. And now what you can do is add a posting time for this. So you can also turn on post now if you want, but I'll click add a posting time. Let's say I want to do this on Tuesday at, for example, 5 p.m. Then click apply right here, and now it will be tomorrow at 5 p.m. Now you can enter it into a category, for example, engaging posts. And now you also have some more things you can do right here. So you can expire the post, so then it will be deleted after some time. And now simply go and click on save post. And now when you click a social media profile right here, you can see what it will look like. So this is the post here. Now you can also add media, so you can add a picture, for example, and then you can click save post. So now when we go to our schedule here, so now here you can see that for LinkedIn here, I've got one post scheduled. So you can click on that. And now here you can also add more social accounts and create more posts if you want, but I've already done this. And now you can just explore these other sections, so the content section, the social media copilot. So you can use this to quickly add a new post wherever you are in the app. You can schedule your setup. You can see your next post, so your upcoming posts, your analytics, which is a really useful tool. And here you also have a SocialBee services where you get access to your own dedicated social media specialist, which can be very useful. And then finally you have the engage section right here where you can respond to comments and do everything you want. Now they also have some courses for you. So here you have, for example, a social media manager course. So you can click join the course right here. And this is currently free when you switch to a yearly plan. So that's also pretty cool. Now again, if you have multiple clients, you can just connect multiple profiles of every single social media platform here. However, if you choose one of the agency plans that I went over earlier in this video, you can actually create multiple workspaces so that it will be more separated and more clear. So basically, to do social media management for your clients, I recommend using SocialBee so that you can actually do everything from in one place. You can use AI to create the content. Here in the content section, they have Canva templates for you. You can add categories and create a schedule. You can do automated posts, and basically it will save you a lot of time and also make it better through the analytics and through the experts right here. So again, you can get a 14-day free trial, no credit card required, to SocialBee so that you can just try it out with the link down in the description. So now you know how to do social media management for clients. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.